A to Z is a job shop. We do prototypes, onesie twosies for anything anybody walks in with, part they want made. We started out with smaller machines, and now we've got machines that can handle weights of 40,000 pounds on the table. So, we're no longer that real small shop, but we're not a big shop. We still got that family feel.
Our customers are always asking us for shorter lead times. And one of the ways that we're helping to meet this is becoming more efficient at our setups by using better machine tools. Our Mazak equipment we have here starts out at small vertical machines with 4th axis indexers on it, all the way up to small horizontals and large horizontals and medium-sized verticals. All of the new equipment utilizes the smooth tool management with RFID chips in our tool holders, and we communicate with our tool room presetter, and we can preload tool data right to the network, and then the machine tools can acquire that tool data from the network.
We set up our tool room with a presetter that reads the chips. We can send the tools out there, load the information in the machines, get feedback on how many cut hours were on this end mill before it went, got dull and we had to change it. Things like that separates you from the rest of my competition.
One of the other ways we're dealing with shorter lead times is utilizing automation. Right now our pallet tech system is one machine with 16 pallets on it and 2 setup stations. And we're already able to run the machine lights out at night, so our second shift is running all by itself. We've eliminated all the setups on those 14 parts. So I think that one machine is putting out the equivalent of 2 of our standalone machines.
We've set ourselves up, and our slogan is A to Z, quality start to finish. And that's all, that's what we live. So our part that comes out of our shop does not ever leave here with a flaw in it. We're not saying we're perfect, but it doesn't happen.
Our HCN 8800 that we bought a year and a half ago, first Mazak with the smooth G control, right away the operators really liked that control. It was very much a lot more user friendly. It was easier for them to program in Mazatrol, and very fast, and the touchscreen control, I was a little bit worried about it being in the shop, but it was a really good fit. Haven't had any problems with it. Running G-code on that machine is far easier than any of our previous controls we used. The operators really like the tool data, the tool life monitoring. Everything on it is aimed at efficiencies and very easy to use.
The key to our success at A to Z machine, it's not the owners, it's our people, it's everybody from the office staff, the quarter estimators, to our tool room, gauging, inspection, and all the guys on the shop floor. They're the ones that make the money and send the parts out the door right and on time. So it's all about the people. We're all big family.